Welcome back everyone. Okay, like I said in the last video, I'm going to be showing the canopy, and this is basically what I've done. This one is now painted. I've masked off the clear area and just airbrushed the rim. It's quite a nice result. I think I didn't mention, but I'm not sure if I did, that the canopy will need quite a bit of polishing. So you need to get the compound, polish them down as much as you can. I could have gone more on this one to make it more clearer. I'm trying to rework the molds to make them more clearer. But there's various methods to polish them, and my box account will have the videos that I've took off of YouTube. Just use them and then just follow the instructions. Okay, so what I've done is, okay, this canopy was actually didn't come out the way I expected, because in the molding process, something got stuck inside the resin. So I've made withering over it. you're not gonna get anything with anything in it. So that's why this is my one. Okay, so I've made scuff marks on it to make it look to fit in with the feel of the rest of the paintwork. As you'll notice on these and in the kit, you'll get a hinge. At the back of the canopy, there's a little gap. Okay. So, and in the kit you will receive a hinge, which is still on its pedestal. Just break it off and then cut it down to how you'd like the canopy to sit. And what I did was, this is my hinge. So I took the one side and cut it down to like 3 millimeters, and the other side I just cut down to like a T. Okay. And then I cut a small piece of styrene plastic. So the idea over here is that this piece gets glued on like such. Okay, and then this just pushes in when you want the canopy to stand open, because it'll be held by gravity anyway when it's standing up. And then, like I mentioned before, when you're putting the rear of the cockpit in, you make a small gap. I'm going to have to drill a small gap because I didn't do it before the time, and that's why I made it smaller. Okay, so when it's done in the final photographs, I'll have this. This isn't the canopy that's polished properly, but just to show the idea of how to look if it's open, an open position. Okay, so it'll basically sit in like that and open. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to be doing the decals. I did receive them. If your kit does not have decals, or if you don't have decals to sell, then you can order them directly from JBot in Canada, and these decals are very good quality. Okay, so once again, there's a canopy. Okay, this is a lightly polished canopy. A lot of elbow grease, but you can get them clear. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one for the decals. Cheers.